What's the best approach for negotiating a fair settlement after my accident? So in my experience, the best approach is always a very systematic approach. So I break it down into categories. So the first category would be liability, or who's at fault. So sometimes it's clear and sometimes it's not so clear. So what we want to do in the beginning is we want to take pictures of the car, take pictures of the accident scene, maybe get witness statements if we need to, and get estimate of repairs. We want to show that this was a big impact. Second is damages. We want to show that you have significant injuries, and usually we do that through the medical treatment and the notes in the medical treatment. So we want you to make sure that you go to doctors that are not only going to help you get better, but are going to document what you've gone through. Through the documentation, that's where we usually are able to get good settlements. For example, if you have a lot of pain, but that pain's not documented in your medical records, it's going to be hard to get compensated for it. So not only going to doctors, but the right kind of doctors. So our law firm is here to help. We can make referrals if you need to. If you have your own doctor and you don't need a referral, that's fine also. But it's an important part of the process to document everything. So we want to make sure that we're getting the diagnosis codes, we're getting the a loss of bodily functions, everything that you could do before that you can't do now, and we lay it out for the insurance adjusters so they get a good picture of what you've gone through. Sometimes that can involve photographs of your injuries, but that's a very important step in the process. Third is, I suggest that you get a professional to help you with that claim. A personal injury attorney, like our law firm, we have experienced professionals. We do this every day on a daily basis. We present claims. We know how to maximize the claims. We know how to put the demands together to get as much money as possible. Studies have shown that if you do it alone, you're likely to get far less than if you use an experienced attorney. Even though you're paying an attorney a percentage of the recovery, you're still going to end up with more in your pocket in the vast majority of cases. And not only use a personal injury attorney, but the right kind of attorney. You want to use someone that not only has experience, but also has experience going to court if need be, because sometimes insurance adjusters don't give what's fair. And if they know that you have an attorney that is willing to go to court, has experience going to court, that's going to affect your settlement also. Insurance companies keep statistics on the attorneys. So having an attorney like at our firm, where all of our attorneys have well over 30 years plus experience doing personal injury trials, that's going to help maximize the recovery, because the insurance companies are going to know if they don't make a fair settlement offer that you have the experienced attorneys to take it to court. So a systematic approach, getting everything documented from the damages to the vehicle to your injuries, and having it done in a systematic approach and using really good personal injury attorney, that would be my advice. So whether you do it alone or you want our law firm to help, we're here to answer any questions you have. The law office of Mark L. Shapiro, our number's on the screen. This is what we do. So if we can help you in any way, please reach out to us. Thank you.